Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify a Figma student account. First, open your Google Chrome and search for a Figma student account. Then, click on the first link that appears to open the official Figma education page, where you can apply for free student access and unlock premium features. Now, click on Get Verified to start the verification process, which checks your student status and eligibility for the education plan. Then, click on Create One to set up a new account if you don't already have one. Next, enter your email address. Make sure it is active and accessible, or you can also continue with your Google account for faster sign-up process. If you choose Google, then select your Google account and allow the required permissions to continue. After that, select what type of institution you attend or work for, such as higher education, bootcamp, online program, or high school, if permitted by the terms below, so Figma can verify your learning category. Then, select yes or no depending on whether you have a school-issued email address, which can sometimes speed up verification, and also choose yes or no for whether you are currently signed in with your school email. Next, read the other options carefully and select according to your situation. Then, click on Next to move forward in the process. Next, select whether you are a student, educator, or administrator. Then choose your primary field of study so Figma can tailor your experience. After that, select your expected graduation date by choosing the correct month and year, which helps confirm your active student status. Then, click on Next again. And on the next screen, select your country and school from the list to match your institution details accurately. Finally, enter your first name and last name along with all the required details. Review everything carefully and submit the form to complete your verification request. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.